Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make aloe vera oil and aloe vera spray with fresh aloe vera. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to cut this into different bits, and then I'm going to cook this with different oils. So I slice my aloe vera into bits, and I pour them into my glass container, and this container I later on placed on the cooking water, boiling water. So I did this because I didn't want the oils to lose their nutrients if I place them directly on the pot. And so this aloe vera, I added olive oil and I added soy oil, and I cooked for an hour.
Then I heard a voice like a trumpet sound, and he said to me.
So as you can see, the aloe vera oil is done. For you to know that this is fully done, you can see that it's brown, like it's brownish a bit. So I separated the aloe vera from the oils, and I added other essential oils. So first I added castor oil, and then I added tea tree oil. I always add tea tree because it's really perfect for my scalp and my hair loves it. So but you can maybe add another oil, not necessarily tea tree, and I didn't really check that drops. So I also added grapefruit oil, and I added some peppermint, and then strawberry for smell, because I really love it when something smells so nice. Like, I mean, going to work and people be like, oh wow, your hair smells good. I love that. So yeah, I added strawberry, and I also went ahead to add some herbs because I do a lot with herbs. I love herbs. I use oxtail, I use moringa, I use different kind of herbs for my DIY recipes and so on. So for this particular one, I added white willow bark, and I also added silk amino. And here I just mix everything together and then pour into my butters.
Take the book and to open up the seal. Worthy is the Lamb, Lion of Judah. He has prevailed and opened up the seal. Yeah. Holy, holy, holy,
So for the hairspray or hair milk, I blended the aloe vera with olive oil, castor oil, tea tree, peppermint, grapefruit, and I also added the same herbs I added to the oils. I added the white willow bark and the silk amino acid, and yes, I blended everything together, filtered it, and yes, my hair milk was ready.
worthy, worthy.
So yeah, that's from me for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to your results. Bye.
Otamahe kunure, ezadame nae. Otagagi kunure ne, ibanyo na me.